This is a video showing the single data point selection process and the tools that are available through that. I'm going to place my cursor over a data point on my graph and click. Once I've done this, three different tools are now available. The far left one is the Smart tool, the middle one is the Slope tool, and then finally the one on the right is the Annotation tool. So I'm going to select on my data point and select the Smart tool. The Smart tool will immediately give me the coordinates of the point I have selected, and it will give me some additional options as well that will disappear after a time. You can make those reappear by selecting again on the data point. On the left-hand side is access to our Delta tool. On the top are arrows so that you can scroll through the available data points. And then finally, reselect on the data point, is the option to delete the Smart tool here. I'm going to select on I'm actually going to get rid of this here, and I'm going to reselect on my data point, and now I can select the Slope tool. So this shows the instantaneous slope of the graph at this data point. This is calculated from the points on either side of this data point. If I wish, I can click on the data point again, and that reactivates these contextual tools, so I can move this to the next data point or the previous data point. Or, if I wish to get rid of it, I can select on the data point that is active again and reactivate the menus and select the X to remove it. The third tool, we can click on the data point, we can select the Annotation tool. With this, we can add information. And click on OK. This can be moved or edited by accessing the tools that are here. If I click on the Edit tool, we can change the notation there. We can again move this through the data points on that data run, or if we wish to remove it, we can click on the data point again and click on the X to remove the annotation.